Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M52 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can operate one-handed mode on this device. Firstly, go into Settings and click on Advanced Features over here. Now choose one-handed mode and click on the switcher to activate it. Now you need to pick one of those options to reduce display size with gesture or button. I will go with button, so I have to click on it and follow those instructions. Double tap the home button. So when I do that, I can see that one-handed mode is now on. You can change placement of it by clicking on this icon next to the gear one, but you can also hold this line and drag your screen to the top or to the bottom. If you wish to go back, you can click on If you wish to go back, you can double tap the blank area over here. If you wish to turn off one-handed mode completely, just tap at the same switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!